That was a business owner.
Oh yeah, no, that's a house. Ooh, look. Flashy lights.
Ooh, lots of flashy lights.
Oh yeah, should I go straight?
Yes. By all means.
Wow. Looks like they shut down the entire road. Oh yeah, no. They're letting people go through on this side. Oh, accident.
They showed stuff over and over throughout the night. They painted a grim picture, but I'm not here to sugarcoat it. Sleep apnea is serious, and if you
Just go left.
Nah, I want to go straight around it. I want to see it.
More people will seek the help they need because its lack of clarity is costing lives. 80% of people who have sleep apnea aren't being treated. These are real lives being blunted by this ticking time bomb. We want to change that. I'm Dr. Mother Canada, where we offer every effective sleep apnea solution available. And the most comprehensive brain triangle evaluation you'll find to make sure we find the root of your problem. Go to adventknows.com to look at it. Because Advent Knows will find out how to live better.
Where's missing?
The thing about comparing rates at Progressive.com is that I know you've heard a lot about comparing rates at Progressive.com.
What?
No, people not knowing how to drive right now.
Oh, yeah.
You that seasoning steaks at Progressive.com is an easy way to save on car insurance. Or that swimming in trousers helps you find the lowest rate. And that's the thing about foraging for truffles. You've heard a lot of ads about standing tiptoe on a cinder block. Compare rates and sing softly to a wounded field mouse and save at Progressive.com. Progressive Casualty Insurance Company and affiliates. Comparison rates not available in all states or situations.
Oh. Damn.
How in the hell? You would.
What?
Go back around.
Yeah. Why wouldn't I?
We should go all the way in and make a big ass U-turn.
Ooh, Wilmot Mountain.
This week, we can expect highs of 20 and clear skies with lots of snow for skiing. Remember Fun Times DJ for your wedding. Fun Times DJ has been working with Brian offering no charge date changing during the current pandemic. Hire a DJ company that you can trust and call you back with Fun Times DJ.
Nice light bars coming up. Right there.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
This is Dave Mustaine from Megadeth. If it rocks. Hey, how you doing? Fred Owens from the Glorious Sons.
Real rock plays.
Beast from the Harlot. Wow. I guess somebody.
Cheap.
All the states.
But you still want
Yeah,
authentic.
I want flavor.
Yeah, I want the real. Grandma spent hours on end mashing the corn to make the fucking tortilla to stuff the fucking tamales. That's the tamales I want, you know?
Yeah.
Sitting there by hand shredding the fucking beef. Trade again?
What?
Oh, you're not done?
No.
What?
Yeah, exactly.
Here's the ashtray.
I have a real opinion.
I couldn't tell if you were done or not.
Oh no.
Here's the thing about IHOP. You can order whatever you want at IHOP. Why would you go there if you're not going for breakfast? And who goes and gets it? This show aside, fuck going out for breakfast. I don't even eat breakfast, let alone get up and leave the house. You have two bastard children that don't breakfast. They don't let me eat. Even before my bastard children. I don't eat before 10 days. And then at that point, it's brunch. If you're getting brunch, just, you know what I mean? Do yourself. It's just a good question.
Huh.
They already loaded it
You're
up.
right. You're right. You could also go to
At
IHOP
least,
for
oh,
breakfast.
two of them. Okay.
I see that. I'll give you that. If you want breakfast later in the day, that's a good choice. But I would never be caught dead going to IHOP for a cheeseburger at 4 p.m.
Yeah, I mean,
So does that
no
change your
argument
answer?
here. Is Applebee's better than IHOP or IHOP better than Applebee's?
Oh, Applebee's.
I'm not entirely convinced I've ever been to an Applebee's before today. I know
Yeah,
I've
you
been
said
to
that.
I know I've been to a Chili's, but I don't know
Which
if
you
it
think
was
is infinitely better.
actually an Applebee's. No, I think it's the same as Applebee's.
They are the same.
Read the last fact for me.
Bro, you want to jump to the last?
Yeah, just read that one for me.
The half-off appetizers are kind of the only reason to eat at Applebee's, right? I'd agree. I would more or less agree. Granted, it helped the decision of, like, my prime time in my life at Applebee's was high school with no money. So that was like, boy, this is fucking classy food. This is a real mozzarella stick that they microwaved or whatever.
This is why I think they're the same restaurant, because the half-off
Wow.
appetizers makes
That's what
it
happens when you don't turn in your own lane.
whatever Chippies does. So to me, it will be on the
That would have been awesome if there was another accident by the accident.
I know, right?
They're the same restaurant.
Yeah.
I'm just like I've never put that much thought into it.
I put a lot. I've dissected this.
as an adult because I don't have to get the half off because I have money. I can order whatever food I want. Like if I want a whole full price cheeseburger,
Right, but
I
if
can
I'm
order
going
it.
there, don't you feel like you're getting ripped off if you're paying full price for a cheeseburger at Applebee's or Chili's?
No.
I absolutely
No,
not. Well, I feel like I'm getting. I feel like I'm getting
quality
rifted.
sense, yeah.
I feel like I'm getting rifted.
Well, now I don't care which way you want
That
to
goes
go.
back to the edibles and elixirs. They're selling me snake
fun is
oil.
going.
Yeah, you gotta be a smart consumer. don't let smooth talking DJ Applebee's.
Where do any of those side streets over
So
there
here's
go?
the thing. So I read the half off
No,
thing,
I'll
and
show
then
you.
the next fact is Chili's
What
and
do we got?
Applebee's are the same restaurant.
Jackson Lane,
Told you read the last fact.
Okay.
Jefferson.
I ignored you and just read the second to last.
But yeah, they totally are.
What
Like,
does
I
that
think
say?
of them
Corn
as the same-
institution? Oh,
Constitution.
I
Constitution.
feel like they're the same thing. They just sometimes offer different shit. Even then, the different
Oh, hey,
shit. is
tow
usually
truck's back.
promotion.
Oh yeah,
Yes.
If there were no promotions, they would.
it's already recording.
It's like Chili's right now doing this thing. Applebee's.
If I see a Chili's commercial, I think that could just
Man, I wish I had my
The only
glasses.
thing, the only thing that Chili's has is
I've been trying to be very serious. You barely got that.
It's an emergency vehicle lights up ahead.
Is a typical boat in the
Bunch of them, it looks like.
0%.
There's two.
Leftovers. There's no bonuses. Jordan, get off your phone, please. We're doing the podcast now.
Sorry, my car's there.
Okay, great. This guy, every time this fun.
Excuse me.
We had a car incident at the Applebee's. Thanks, man. Almost.
You okay?
Also, Jordan was late and got stuck in traffic. Not really shit.
The traffic was already there.
That's not, it was late.
It was 7 minutes late.
Wow, it was 7 minutes late, later on time. I was 7 minutes late. Wait, 7 minutes late.
I was 7 minutes on time.
That was zero. I'll tell you, it was about 3 extra cups of water. That's what it was. Everybody was just sitting there drinking water.
Oh yeah, multiple cups.
So I'm excited about this. Usually, not very
3 of them. Whoa. Yeah.
You know,
They're always there. It's like, yeah, it's like I guess I needed that, and you point at it, and then you walk 2 minutes and you're there. But not counting that, it's been a while. But I went to New Jersey.
Gym's open
Red
too.
light camera reported
What now?
ahead.
The gym, Planet
Wow.
Fitness.
Oh, yeah.
It's like, and they just put out another warning today. I got another notification. They're urging people not to start going out and doing things just because the numbers are dropping and the states are open.